George, and you know me as Spratz. Yes, your guitar teacher. I'm here to give you a little tutorial on how to form Soukous lines around the chord progression 6, 4, 5, 6. People are asking me to do something in the minor mode. And I think there's the right opportunity for me to do it. I'm going to do this in the key of A. My 6, 4, 5 progression in the key of A is going to be F sharp. F sharp is the relative minor of key A. So F sharp, D, E, F sharp. As simple as this. F sharp minor, D major, E, and then F sharp. The home key is A. But I'm starting on the relative minor, which is F sharp minor. So F sharp minor, then I go to D, E, and then F sharp minor. So first you have to find out all the F sharp minor shapes you can. So I have one here, I have one here, I have one here, I have one here. This is important because you are going to find your licks around the roots or your home notes. Yes, there are many on the board. Let me give you a rhythm like this. La, fa, sol, la. Yes. Fa, sol, la. Do, ta. Fa, sol, la. Do, ta. Fa, sol, la. This is a very simple Soukous progression. So without wasting much time, what do I play on 6, what do I play on 4, and what do I play on 5? The first thing to do is to find notes that are already in those chords and play them. So this. If I want to use sofa notations, that's going to be la, la, fa, sol, la, fa, sol, la. So that would be my very first thing to do. Just play those 3 notes. La, la, fa, sol, la, fa, sol, la, fa, sol, la. And I can play the la, la, fa. So in any number of times that I want to. I can repeat the la twice, the fa 3 times, anyhow I want to. But I should always make sure I'm moving with the chords. La, la, fa, sol, la. That is very interesting. Then build upon that. I can add la, mi, do, la, mi, do, la, fa, do, ti, sol, re, la, mi, do, la, mi, do, la, fa, do, ti, sol, re. Am I not playing? We are moving forward, right? And when I come to this range, then I'm going to start something like this. La, mi, la, do, ti, la, fa, do, ti, so, re, la, fa, do. Yes. La, mi, la, do, ti. 5th and then the 9th fret. On 1, I'll have mi, la, do. On 1, mi, la, do. Mi, re, do, ti. Mi, la, do. Mi, re, do, ti. Mi, la, do, mi, re, do, ti, fa, la, fa, so, ti, so. Simple. Then I come to between the 9th and then the 12th position. Mi, do, la, do, mi. Then now slide. Mi, do, la, do, mi. So, mi, do, la, do, mi. Mi, do, la, do, mi. So, mi, do, la, do, mi. Mi, do, la, do, mi, 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 do, la, do, mi, fa, la, do, ti, re, so. Mi, do, la, do, mi, fa, la, do, ti, re, so. You keep on experimenting, you see? And let's go to the last stage, now here. Between the 14th fret and then the 17th fret. These are the same shapes as where we began, but in the top registers. Do, ti, la, fa, re, do, ti, re, do, ti, la. Or if you want to do more Soukous lessons with me, if you want to delve deeper into Soukous and other interesting African rhythms, don't hesitate to pick the numbers on the screen. Yes, give me a call, WhatsApp me, and let me fix an online meeting with you. Let's do it, and you are going to benefit, and you are going to be blessed.